Hi, I'm Natalie Balanovsky, Just-in-Time Manufacturing Solutions Manager at Almac. I'm here to introduce our just-in-time manufacturing solution, Almac Adapt. Because we live in a world that is always changing, always evolving, we are faced with a rapidly growing and aging population. Science is responding by developing innovative, personalized medicines. With these positive advancements comes challenges for not just patients and sponsors, but for high-value, time-sensitive clinical supplies. It's our duty to adapt to these new pressures. It's time to embrace the unique needs and opportunities of human healthcare that's already transforming our industry in ways never before imagined. Almac Adapt is a just-in-time manufacturing solution which puts patients first and provides sponsors with a unique, adaptive supply strategy, ultimately meeting the growing challenges of today's clinical trials. Almac Adapt delivers a reduced cycle time and allows a much tighter control of supply to demand. By reducing waste and overage, budgetary and operational efficiencies are realized. By shifting the focus from what we do to why we do it, Almac Adapt embraces this patient-centric culture. It translates into actionable and proactive packaging, labeling, and distribution solutions. Almac Adapt can achieve in days what we otherwise take weeks using traditional methods. Almac Adapt was designed to meet the challenges of today's trials and the trials of tomorrow, including gene and cell therapies, oncology, rare orphan disease, just to name a few. Almac Adapt redefines just in time to always on time and is our newest addition to our flexible clinical supply solutions alongside lean and just-in-time labeling. These solutions provide an ability to think and work in non-traditional ways, making Almac the ideal partner for patient-centric studies. To learn more about our flexible clinical supply solutions, please visit us on our website at almacgroup.com. Thank you.